Mobile enthusiasts will remember the Nokia 8110, a slider of sorts that was released back in 1996. Well, now we have the 8110 Reloaded, which is the phone reimagined for, well, kind of 2018? So first of all, let's start with the looks. Of course, it has this sliding mechanism, but otherwise it doesn't really feel like the 8110 that I remember. It has a color screen, of course, but you know, the kind of stubby antenna is gone now, and the keyboard looks completely different. Still, I quite like this sort of candy bar aesthetic, and of course, because it's in yellow, it looks a bit like a banana phone. Why is it called Reloaded? Well, because the original phone starred in one of the original Matrix films. So you might remember the Nokia 3310 remake from last year, and this is very much a similar sort of product. It's a marketing stunt, really. When the company announced the 3310, it was really to get some marketing buzz behind its first batch of Android phones. This is the same sort of thing. They're going for that bit of hype, basically, that bit of coverage, that bit of everyone talking about this once more in order to really elevate its next wave of Android phones that have been announced here at Mobile World Congress. Now, it runs on a platform called Smart Feature OS, which, well, all you really need to know is that it's not Android. It is 4G capable, it will connect to Wi-Fi, which means that you can browse the web. It also has some basic apps, and Nokia is promising that it will have its own app store, meaning that, who knows, in the future we might see a Twitter or a WhatsApp app. But let's be real here, if you want that sort of functionality, you're better off going with a low-cost Android phone. Something like the new Nokia One that was announced here in Barcelona. This phone will be releasing in May for €79, so it's not really an impulse purchase. However, if you're a die-hard Nokia fan, or you just want a little bit of retro styling in your life, who knows, maybe you'll like this thing. It can be a backup device, or maybe it's useful if you're really looking to disconnect and kind of get away from the monotony of the internet. So yeah, for more on the Nokia 8110 Reloaded and everything else that's happening here at Mobile World Congress, be sure to keep checking out Engadget.com.